A very warm welcome to all of you. You are watching AVM News, your non-stop weekly top news story across the globe and AVM. Hello, this is Priyanshu Kumar from class 12 Adarsh Vidya Mandir Mandava. Let us begin our news bulletin. Sri Lanka ended its COVID-19 lockdown on October 1st. Sri Lanka ended its COVID-19 lockdown enforced last 2 months on October 1st, Health Minister said on Wednesday. Even the medical professionals warned against the unrestricted reopening of the country.
Very ambitious plan for vaccinate above 18 everybody by end of September. So we are on the track so far. So what we are looking for as the military is the surge capacity.
Place with better health infrastructure will attract more tourists, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Asserting that healthcare has a very strong relationship with tourism, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday said places where more people have been vaccinated against COVID-19 and which have better health infrastructure will attract more tourists. Pre-primary kids to getting midday meal too. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday scaled up National Midday Meal Scheme as PM Poshan, which will also cover the student of Bal Vikas mean pre-primary classes and provide hot cooked meal to students of elementary classes in government school. India non-stop on the way, American airline code share with Indigo for India connection. American airline, which will start non-stop flight between Delhi and New York from October 31st and Bangalore and Chitle from January 4, 2022, has entered a code-shared agreement with Indigo. In the memory of late Sri Rameshwar Singh Tetarwal, Adarsh Vidya Mandir School, Mandava organized 13 general knowledge and drawing competition on 18 October Monday at 10 am. Students of secondary and senior secondary school will participate in competition. Winner of both competition will awarded with trophy and cash prizes. And with that, we wrap up weekly news bulletins. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay up to date. Have a great day ahead.